In this lesson, let's answer the question, what is data preparation? On a predictive modeling project, such as classification or regression, raw data typically cannot be used directly. There are reasons for this. For example, machine learning models require the data to be numbers. Some machine learning models impose requirements on the data. Statistical noise and errors in the data may need to be corrected. Complex nonlinear relationships may be used to tease out the data. Therefore, the raw data must be preprocessed prior to being used to fit and evaluate a machine learning model. This step in the predictive modeling project is referred to as data preparation, although it goes by many other names such as data wrangling, data cleansing, data preprocessing, and feature engineering. Some of these names may be a better fit for subtasks for the broader data preparation process. We can define data preparation as the transformation of raw data into a form that makes it more suitable for modeling. This is highly specific to your data, to the goals of your project, and to the algorithms that are going to be used to model your data. We're going to talk more about these relationships as we move through the course. Nevertheless, there are common or standard tasks that you may use or explore during the data preparation step in the machine learning project. A few include data cleaning, which is identifying and correcting mistakes or errors in the data. And then there's feature selection, identifying those input variables that are most relevant to the task. Then there are data transforms, changing the scale or distribution of the variables. Then there's feature engineering, deriving new variables from available data. And then lastly, there's dimensionality reduction. And this is creating compact projections of the data. Each of these tasks is a whole field of study with specialized models. We're going to take a closer look at these in Section 3. Data preparation is not performed blindly. In some cases, variables may be encoded or transformed before we can apply a machine learning algorithm to them, such as converting strings to numbers. In other cases, it is less clear. For example, scaling a variable may or may not be useful to the model. It can feel overwhelming given the large number of methods, each of which may have their own configuration and requirements. Nevertheless, the machine learning process steps before and after data preparation can help to inform you on what techniques to consider.